So let's talk about hiding likes on Instagram. It's a new feature that Instagram have started to roll out to different accounts over the last few weeks, but it's not new to some people. Some accounts on Instagram have had the ability to hide likes or have had likes hidden from their account for several months now as part of Instagram's way to test different features. Sometimes it rolls out features to people months in advance on some accounts and in some countries, and then they eventually roll out the feature to other people. But certainly most people now should have the ability to optionally hide likes on posts, and I'm going to show you how in this video and also talk a little bit about the pros and cons of this new feature too. Hi, if you're new here, my name is Anna. I am a designer and online educator at byrosanna.co.uk, and here on YouTube I share videos all about business, marketing, tech tutorials, productivity, and all that good stuff. So if you like that kind of content, don't forget to hit the subscribe button and give this video a thumbs up while you're there. So as I said, on some Instagram accounts, you may have had your likes hidden from you for the last few months, so that when you post a photo, you can see the first person who liked it or one of your close friends who's liked it, and then it will just say "and others" rather than giving you the exact number of people who have liked it. However, if you're like me, some of you might not have had this feature, and so now that Instagram have started to introduce the optional hiding likes feature, it might be something that you want to look into. So first of all, I want to show you how to hide likes on your own images from other people. So what you can do is go onto your profile, tap on the photo that you want to hide the likes of. So you can see at the bottom there, I have got the little notification that says liked by Rosie Gibson and 416 others. But what if I don't want people to see how many people have actually liked this image? What I can now do, thanks to this new feature that should be available to most people now, is tap on the three dots in the top right corner and tap hide like count. And then what happens, as you can see down at the bottom, that has now changed to liked by Rosie Gibson and others instead of giving you the actual number. If I want to change it back so that people can see how many likes it's had, I can just tap on the three dots again and tap on unhide like count, and that will show the number back up again. And you can do these for any of your grid posts on Instagram, but you can't do it on things like Instagram Reels or IGTV videos. So that's all well and good, but you might be wondering, okay, if I can hide my own likes, why can I still see other people's likes on their photos? Surely there's no point in me not being able to see mine, but still being able to see other people's. You can now actually hide other people's as an option as well. All you need to do is go to your profile, tap on the three lines in the top right corner and go to settings, then go to privacy, go to posts, and toggle the hide like and view counts button. So if I turn that on now and go back to my account, I can now go to my home feed. If I refresh it, you can now see that all the like counts have gone, and again it just gives the first name of the person and others as well. Now you'll notice that if I click on others, I can actually see a list of everyone who has liked it. It still won't give me the exact number, but I can still get that information on other people's posts. However, if I go back to my own profile and tap on a photo, unless I've manually hidden the likes per image, as I showed you just now, I can still see the like counts on my own. So all that does is just hide other people's like counts. I'm going to go ahead and go back to settings and turn mine back on. So it's kind of weird that Instagram, when it was testing out this feature with certain accounts over the last few months, made it compulsory and didn't give people the option to switch it on and off. And now this new feature has come out and they've made it optional. I personally don't think it makes a huge amount of sense, because I feel like any benefits of actually hiding likes are kind of watered down by the fact that some people are going to be doing it and some people aren't. But let's talk a little bit about the pros and cons. So there are two kind of key benefits of hiding likes on Instagram. When you think about it, what many of us have started to do on Instagram is tie a lot of our self-worth to the likes that we're getting on our posts. Maybe when we post something, we're thinking, oh, am I getting as many likes as this person or that person? And you're comparing yourself to other people. Maybe you've put a lot of work into a piece of content, and when you post it, you don't get as many likes as you wanted, and that makes you feel really down. So from a mental health perspective, hiding likes could be a really good way of bringing some enjoyment back into Instagram, stopping it making it stopping making it feel like a numbers game, giving us all some just room to breathe and not constantly be struggling to get that like count up and up and up. However, on the flip side of this, because it's currently an optional feature, it's a bit of an odd one because you could just go and toggle it on and off so that when you want a break from seeing people's likes, you could toggle that like counter off. But then if you wanted to see how many likes your friend or someone you're following has got, you could just go and turn it back on again and see how many likes they've got. So it does make it a little bit more effort, but it doesn't completely stop this comparison game. Also, if you are just hiding the likes on your own photos, that doesn't mean that everyone else is hiding theirs as well. So if you're worried about what other people think, other people could still see an account that you follow or that you aspire to, or a competitor account. They could still see the like counts on their photos, but if you've hidden the likes on yours, then they can still see one but not the other. And so it's kind of this really weird place where we've got the option to do it, but some people might not do it, but we might do it. And so if you are doing it, people might, if you're worried about what people think, then you might think, oh, people might think I'm trying to hide how many likes I've got. These are the kind of problems that are arising based on the fact that it's an optional feature at the moment. I'd also say that it's not particularly helpful for if you're looking for collaborations with brands. If you have an Instagram account where you often work with other Instagram accounts or businesses or brands to create content on Instagram, what a lot of brands and businesses will look for on Instagram is your engagement in general. And they might look at the average number of likes that you get on images and use that as a factor to decide whether to work with you on a collaboration or not. And if they can't see your likes, then that might not be very helpful in helping them gauge your kind of engagement rate on your account, and it might put them off working with you. Now, obviously, if it wasn't an optional thing and everyone's likes were taken away and we couldn't see anyone, then these brands and businesses could use other measures to decide on whether to work with people, such as the amount of comments or amount of followers or other engagements and things like that. But because there's no standardization at the moment, because we've got some people hiding likes, we've got some people not, it's going to be very easy for brands and businesses to just go with the people who they can see all the information of straight away, which presents a bit of a problem, because then if you want to hide your likes for mental health reasons or whatever reason, then that might put you on the back foot with working with businesses. We see another main benefit of hiding likes is what it means is there's less focus on likes as a form of engagement, and it encourages people to actually be more meaningful with the way they engage with content. So it might encourage someone to leave a comment on a photo just to let someone or the creator know that they've really enjoyed their content, rather than just double tapping to like it. Because when you think about it, doing a like on Instagram is very passive, whereas leaving a comment is much more active, especially if you're leaving something meaningful. So it really moves the focus to more valuable forms of engagement, which can only be a good thing, and it helps to make the platform more authentic as well, and not just a numbers and liking game. One thing that I will note, which is really important, is that even if you hide the like count on a post, you can still see the insights on the post. Now, this is assuming that you have either a creator account or a business account on Instagram. I don't think you get this feature on just a personal account. So if you're a business account or creator account, even if you hide the like count, what you can do is still on each post, tap on View Insights and swipe up, and that will tell you how many likes that photo has got, including comments, including reach, and all of those other pieces of data that are going to be really helpful for your content marketing strategy. So those are all still there. And again, that's another reason why this kind of hiding likes on individual posts doesn't really work, because if you want to take away the temptation to always be judging your content on likes, it's still there, because all you need to do is just tap on View Insights and you can still see how many people liked it. It's just that other people can't, and other accounts on Instagram, if they go to your post and your page, they can't see your likes and things like that. So that's just a quick note. Insights are still available. And also you can, of course, still see likes on Reels and IGTVs and things like that. So the comparisonitis issue could just be moved to things like Reels and IGTV and comparing engagement rates and things like that on them. So At the moment, I'm a little bit torn of whether this optional feature is really worthwhile, whether it's worth it, but I would love to hear your thoughts. Please do leave a comment below letting me know what you think about the hiding likes being an optional feature. And if you do want to learn more about using Instagram for your business, I have a completely free online course for you to take. It's got loads of different modules on things like hashtags, writing captions, creating content, planning and scheduling, all of that good stuff inside it, and it's completely free to sign up. I will leave the link in the description of this video. Thanks so much for watching, and I'll see you again next week with another video.